Ha ha. I knew you'd be back. Let's do this one again.
Okay.
Ha ha. I knew you guys would be back. No. Ha! I knew you guys would be back.
Right.
So today what we're going to do, let me show you what we have here. We are going to make tofu chocolate truffles. Okay? So we got sugar, salt, vanilla, tofu, and chocolate chips. Either you want a regular no sugar added or regular organic, semi-sweet. It's your discretion. Vegan chocolate chips works well too. Also, you're diabetic like I am, you can sweeten it with monk fruit sugar. Okay?
You're diabetic?
I am diabetic,
Oh,
Brandon.
I knew that beeping was something.
Yeah. Okay. You want to see it? You want to see the beeping cause of my
I
diabetes?
don't think anyone wants to see that.
Okay, so don't. For later. If you stick around, subscribe, we might show you later. So let's get started, correct?
Okay.
So first, the tofu, extra firm is the best. And we're just going to drain it. One of the tricks is the drier, the better. Okay.
Hey.
Brandon, you know what tofu is?
No.
All right, so it's a clone. The tofu, you can make it to be whatever you want to be without using beef, poultry, fish. So you can be whatever you want to be. So right now, we want to make them on chocolate truffle. So let's do it. As it drains, let's melt the chocolate. So both together is about a pound. So for a pound of chocolate, for 1 pound of chocolate, you're going to use half the size of the tofu, which the tofu was a pound.
Oh, okay.
So
Half a pound of tofu equals a pound of chocolate chips.
correct. Then quarter teaspoon of vanilla. Another quarter or less, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And half a cup of sugar. And that's all it is. All right. Let's melt the chocolate. Two choices, Brandon. In the oven, low heat to melt it, or on the stove top on a double boiler. If you don't know what a double boiler is, Google it, please. Don't ask me. Okay. 200 degrees, because we don't want to roast them. We just want to melt them. So 200 degrees. How long?
5 minutes.
Until it's melted. So we're going to cut half. Now we're going to cube it. And put them RoboCoop.
RoboCoop?
Repeat, RoboCoop.
Coop? RoboCoop?
Coop. Like those mini cars, coupe.
It's not a RoboCook?
No, RoboCoop, Brandon. So we're going to puree it. Now we're going to add the salt. See? You know why the salt, Brandon?
No.
It enhances the flavors of all the ingredients we just added. Oh, perfect, right?
5 minutes?
5 minutes or less. So now we're gonna scrape this right into the bowl.
Let's take a lick.
Yeah, I'll give you the spatula in a minute. All the chocolate's in. Scrape the sides. All in. You see the tofu incorporated into the chocolate? Mm-hmm. Look at that, babe. So now we're gonna let it rest a little bit so we can scoop it. And now let's do something. Let's raid the pantry.
Raid the pantry?
Yes. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, Brandon, look. Mom has some cranberries and sunflower kernels. This is your salad topping. Oh man, this is good stuff. So we're gonna roll the truffles on this, okay? Then what else do we have? Oh, look what she has. Pumpkin seeds, almonds,
Almonds?
macadamia nut. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's look at this too. I'm excited because we got all kinds of goodies we can do. Let's use this big pan. We also have, you like peanut butter and chocolate?
Oh, those are that's my favorite.
Correct. Ooh, wait, toasted coconut? I like coconut. So that's my favorite. All right, so here we go. So let's do all kinds of concussions here. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller, it's your choice. Whatever ice cream scoop you have is all good, okay? You know, another trick, you have a graham cracker crust, so you do a no-bake pie, so you can do a chocolate mousse pie. So it will be chocolate, truffle, chocolate mousse pie, or tofu chocolate truffle pie. No bake.
Maybe one for the dogs?
Maybe one. No. No, you don't want to kill them. Okay. So let's do this cranberry. And then we taste them. Don't tell your mom I'm using some of her stuff. Let's do the first one. Oh, they're perfect now. Yeah. Okay, let me get my
You
spatula.
don't want to sprinkle them like on top or something?
Oh, no, no. We're going to roll them over. Look. Let's get them here. Okay. That's one down. Let me wash my hands, please. Okay, Brandon, the next one. Let's roll that coconut toasted granola. Granted, if you're in a puree diet, the only way to get it is like that, which is already puree, okay? If you're not, then you can play with it. Make a nice dessert. Holidays are coming. Easy to make, doesn't get any easier, and nobody will know it's tofu. Nobody will know it's tofu. Maybe you like peanut butter?
Love it. It's my favorite thing in the world.
So now that we flavor some of those chocolate truffles we're liking, actually you're liking, Brandon, let's do a taste test. We haven't tested it to see if we pass our puree test. First, take it with a knife, with a spoon. You're gonna eat it. Turn it, it doesn't fall. Flick it. Ooh, came out. Pretty nice. Okay, next test is a fork test.
So this is a puree?
It's a puree, look at that.
Okay.
It's a fork test. Beautiful.
Cool.
That's what you want. Okay. You want some beef?
I'll love some.
Yeah.
Yeah. That you never asked.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Good stuff, huh? For you guys at home, wanna try it? Now, refrigerate it. It will get a little bit hard, but not super hard. So it's still, once you take the bite, it's nice and chewable. It will dissolve in your mouth. Okay. So here you have your tofu chocolate truffles, and then the different combinations that you have at home that you can roll it into. So it's up to you. So please stay tuned, subscribe in the button behind, and we're gonna keep making some really cool desserts, entrees that it will be part of that ET program. And then there's some fun cooking because Brandon, my son, wants me to do some other cooking. So let's do that too. All right. So please stay tuned. See you later.